What is going on, everybody? Joey here for a quick update. Now, this is about my third video for the day, so I am tired. I'm exhausted. But the weekends is all I got to make videos. Monday through Friday, I got my corporate job. But I wanted to give you an update on a video I did last time about TPMS, or tire pressure monitoring systems. I had a problem maybe about 2 weeks ago, I think it was now, where my tire pressure monitoring system said it had a fault and that a sensor was failing, or there was just a fault in the system. So what was my solution? I wanted to troubleshoot. I used my awesome ODM code reader that I plugged into the system, reset that code, took out that cheap car charger so I didn't have any interference. All that was using electricity was the stock stuff that came with the vehicle, a 2009 Ford Escape. So it is pretty old. I expected I'm going to come up to those issues sooner or later, but I figured let's give it a shot. I read online that sometimes you do get those interference where the sensors can't transmit to the box, and it can't tell it the tire pressure. So that was my first troubleshooting thing before I went into replacing the box in the engine area or replacing the sensors. So, update as of right now. The code's gone. It's been about a week now and it hasn't come back. I'm going to show you right now on the vehicle. You can see it is gone. Before, it had the engine light up and it had that tire sensor fault that was showing. It is gone. I'm happy. I was a little bit worried because I reset the code. In about a day it came back, but I kept waiting. And eventually I guess it did get that signal reacquired, and it is working again. Just by removing that cheap car charger, I was able to remove that problem without spending hundreds of dollars. So if you're having that issue also, make sure you try it out. It could be that you're just getting interference from one of those cheap chargers or something that's not OEM, that's not made into the, the car. And all you have to do, remove that, wait a week, see if it's keep going. I did check the tires and make sure that my tires were good, and it went away. So, thank you all very much for watching. As always, I appreciate everything. If you think I did it right, wrong, whatever, leave a comment, smash the like button, subscribe button. You'll get those notifications from our channel. And as always, thank you very much for watching.